How to copy TikTok profile URL link. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up TikTok application on your screen first. And then once you open up TikTok, in order to copy the TikTok profile URL, you may tap on the profile link in the bottom right corner. Once you go ahead and tap on it here, you will be finding your profile. Now from here, what you can do is simply tap on the menu bar at the top right, the three horizontal lines, tap on it. After that, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, you may select the option called Settings and Privacy, the fourth one. And then once you tap on it, here under Account, you can easily find an option called Share Profile. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, you will be finding a copy link option right in the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And that's it. So that is basically your TikTok profile URL link. You may go ahead and paste it wherever you want to share it. For example, like this, you may just paste the link like this and you should be finding your TikTok profile URL link. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.